This is a visual video. It requires 4 colors. You can pick any 4 colors that you like, or you can even do 5. So if you want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this as a 5th color, you can do that as well. It's whatever you want it to be. I'm just basically giving you a visual video so that you can think about what you would like to do and what colors you would like to use. So these are all the sides. They're all the same. I love it. It's beautiful. I think it's very cool. Once you set it up, I think it turned out pretty neat. So I'm very excited about it. I think it's really cool. There is a tutorial video in the tutorial playlist section or in the video section of my channel, so that you can go to that if you want to create this design. Always remember that tutorials are for beginners. If you are not a beginner and you are advanced, you can fast forward at any time during any video. You can fast forward, rewind, screenshot. You can even share it on any of your social media. That would be appreciated. You can share it on your channel. You can share it on your Facebook with your friends. Please feel free to share it. And if you like the visual videos and the tutorials, please give a thumbs up. I put a lot of thought and time in the process of creating these videos for you so that you can learn to do plastic canvas. Have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being loyal. And I look forward to seeing you soon.